Yo guys, ngiyazi you're gonna come for me after this. But nje bengifisa ukunitshela ukuthi Big Brother uyamthanda uThandeka noMnili because of the numbers. Wakhohlwa ukuthi what's the main reason ye-show. Right now, i-punishment yaThandeka noMnili was very light kuzinto abazenzayo nabayishoyo, and abanye abantu banama-2 strikes ngezinto abazenzile ezi-very light. Not that ngiyafavor, but Big Brother uyabathanda. That's okay. I-show yakhe. Ngiyaqala nokubuka le show, and the way ngiyiviewa ngakhona it's tiring. Umnikazi we-show ubona ukuthi laba abathandayo ubona kumele aba-protect at all times. Abantu abakhuluma ukhuluma kanjani nomuntu omdala umuntu ozokunika u2 million ukhulume kanje engathi ukugibele kwi-mountain, and then uthole yo, it's fine though, it's fine. Angisho lutho, ngiyaxolisa. I'm just hurt ukuthi le show siyayibuka, le show la kwami idlala 24 hours.
Yebo,
24 hours.
Asisakwazi ukubuka enye into.
Mabelele nathi silele i-TV sukudlala.
Akusadlala ibhola.
Akusadlala nix. But to find out ukuthi how come umuntu ophethe i-show a-fave guys.
Ke kgatetse. Ke bathong ke jwang ke paparang.
Ya muna wa ka o kgathetse bathong o jwang butanana le nna ke jwalo. Cause what the hell guys.
Ke batla TV yaka.
Unyaka TV ya hae, it's enough.
DStv yaka.
Unyaka DStv.
Eking retileng ka tšhelete yaka.
Ai rekile ka tšhelete ya gae. Ya monna wa ka o kgathetse le nna.
Ke batla o thatha Big Brother ke o throwing outside my kaya ko haye ni haye laka outside ni haye.
But it's wrong, but it's fine. We have no say. It's fine. I have nothing against anyone who's will win. I just don't like it when it's unfair, but it's fine.
Honestly, uMmeli noThandeka badlala ngo Big Brother. Especially uMmeli anga appreciate guys, like aga appreciate, like he really feels like he's the one who owns Big Brother. He really feels like he's the main character ka Big Brother. He really feels like he's the co-manager or whatever. Yabona into yakhe ukuba umngane production imbeke this time around. But uThandeka vele is rude. That's how she is. That's who she is actually. Because the way pendula ngakhona Big Brother kulama arena games was not okay. But Big Brother is hurt. Big Brother akekho right. You even heard his voice the time ekhuluma noMmeli ba addressa lento ayisho wayikhuluma naye kuma diary section. Like I first thought like ayibo uyadlala, maybe it's a prank. Maybe uMmeli says no man, Big Brother, it's just a prank. I'm sorry for speaking to you like that. But actually he wasn't. I'm telling you akamsabi. He doesn't care. Big Brother needs to do something about 1 and 2 and 3. Like this was so rude and wrong. Like I appreciate, I gonna danky. I don't know how to explain ngoMmeli i-reaction yakhe towards Big Brother, the way enza ngakhona, like ubonga ngeplate lamasimba. Yazi lento ubonga ngeplate lamasimba, and ke uBig Brother umnikeze i-final warning, and nje I really hope ukuthi ngampela he will take this warning serious, because I don't see that happening. Nendlela nje uze wambiza 2 times Mmeli wavela thula, Mmeli uze wamcacisa each and every time nje wenza uBig Brother umngani wakhe kanje umpintshi kahle, and the last time esho le yanto kwi-diary session ngathi mina uMmeli umngani wakhe uBig Brother usebenzisana ne-production, uyabazi abantu be-production ubazi ngoba ezazi yena, because there is no way you can disrespect umuntu okunika opportunity engaka empilweni. Like there's no way. Like that is why that you don't mix business with pleasure. That's what's happening ngalesa sikhathi. And also uThandeka got a warning, which means if baphinde benza into wrong, that's basenkingeni. So I'm really glad ukuthi uBig Brother wenze something about le nto, because ubese ngasahlonipheki kwayena, even to us as viewers. uBig Brother bese umuntu odelelekile because of those 2 housemates. So yeah, that's all I have to.
Big Brother family meeting done. Biggie addressed all the housemates for their infringements, such as breaking rules, chatting back to Big Brother, disrespecting Big Brother, I mean, being selective on what to do and what not to do, slacking when it comes to gym. The list is endless. The list is endless. Biggie decided that the housemates won't be seeing messages from their families because of their behavior. This, everyone is guilty of this. Everyone breaks rules one way or the other there. And then Melly disrespected Big Brother, Big Sister in his diary room this week. Diary session, he said he's not scared of Big Brother and so forth. Big gave him final warning. And I must say, I am so disappointed in Melly's attitude. Melly doesn't show any remorse. He is stubborn. I'm so disappointed. I mean, just because he's a retainee, he thinks his Big Brother's equal. Melly, I'm so disappointed in your behavior. That's all I can say. And then Thandeka for her behavior during a brand task. I remember no Uthandeka biphikisana no Big Brother there. She also got a final warning. One more warning, Uthandeka will have 2 strikes. Again, her behavior was not nice. It was disgusting. She must learn to respect to Big Brother. In fact, both of them are disappointing, and we need to call them out when they're doing something wrong. That was not cool at all. But Melly, I'm more disappointed in Melly. His attitude, no, disgusting.
Oh, well, guys, let's keep it 8 more than 92 with me, guys. Big Brother, Asha Madisanta, Adisanta. Guys, you know, it's one thing for us as the viewers to be so over it, ne? Mara, for the housemates to also be over it, guys. Even Big Brother himself is catching strays. Na Big Brother go chavi, na go ilimeli. You know, sometimes I miss the old Big Brother because the way these housemates address Big Brother so disrespectfully. So, understand, it reminds me of how, you know, your parents, when they all of a sudden become soft with the last born, essentially the housemates start this season getting last born because they get away with everything. No, first of all, guys, before we are cool, what I want to understand is Trixie was sick. We all know that. I'm glad she's feeling better. I understand that. Mara, what was happening like a day or 2 ago in the house? They were all getting called to the diary room. I want the secret diary sessions because after they were being called to the room, their mood changed. Bobo tlhebanong a ba shapo a ba monate ba bang ba ba kwatile ba bang ba ba sete ene ka iputsisa gore mara o irahalang ko Big Brother se rena re sa se boneng wa understand. Guys, you know when Melly was clashing with Thandeka, it confirmed to me her brothers understand. It confirmed to me her he can see her behavior and it gets to a point. And he got to that point. After he was clashing with Thandeka and he was telling Thandeka, my sister, I hear you talking about people's personal hygiene, but my question is, dudes and answer my question is So essentially, Melly reached breaking point because honestly, guys, this is not the first time Thandeka speaks to him about other people's personal hygiene. One understand, it's not the first time Thandeka vents. Thandeka feels like she has an open space to speak with Melly. Mara, this time around, Thandeka bambile belly wall. And what stood out for me in the conversation was how Thandeka was focusing on Melly's reaction and not focusing on what Melly's actually saying, on what Melly's actually calling out. Don't understand that because she was telling Melly, don't talk to me like that. Don't understand that. Don't click your tongue at me. You're my man. You're not supposed to be talking to me like that. And you know what? As a girl, I understand. You don't want your man to talk to you like that. And even Thandeka was like, Melly, this is not the first time you do this, and I don't like it, and you must stop it. And you know, when it comes to personal hygiene, guys, you know, in life, there's unspoken rules. There's things that you mustn't do, even though it's not written down that you mustn't do it, even though it's not boldly stated that you mustn't do it. When if una need the morals, una need the values, understand that. When if una need the morals, the values, you won't call out somebody's period and how it smells within like banal. Then for me, what stands out with Thandeka is how she addresses people. Understand that, and sometimes that would make you overlook what she's saying or overlook the nice side of her. Understand that, because I'm putting hey never groza. Didiana made a suggestion because guys, you know, when they buy groceries, it's an open conversation. Anyone can say anything to head of house so that they get whatever they want. Guys, Didi made a suggestion. Okay, why don't each of us get a loaf? Thandeka, our sisters wa khafa. wa gafa ke mang a ilo jang loaf e one. And mind you, that suggestion, it's not way off because it's been done before, even in previous seasons where people just get their own loaves of bread. Obviously, Tandega shut her down, guys. But anyway, Tandega then suggested that no, instead of 10 loaves, let's just do 8. And wave white and wave brown. And then Didi was telling Ashe, no, now I'm gonna eat brown, but then I also eat white, of which is valid, guys. Sometimes uduma duma di long, understand? I feel like once you get to top 10, the budget is the budget, ne? Maru, you have way more options because there's way less of you. So you have more money to spend. Don't understand? And that's why I feel like, guys, Ashe as head of house, he could have done more. Well, understand that in that meeting, never even when King Wanda asked, can I leave? Tandega once is the one that answered and said, no, you may. And Didi was like, Omar, my sister, and Ashe, tu, mom. And of course, guys, Tandega will go on a tangent into Abulela guy. Hey, Didi must go get commanded. Te hordita na guy arit. Anyways, Big Brother will show you that in life, the leadership skills are the one. Then I say, as a leader, how many guys now going and a King Wanda tried to make him understand. Hold my brother, sometimes you need to be firm. Wong understand? When King Wanda spoke to Ashe, and King Wanda was like, Ashe, I'm not saying you must be a dictator. Maru, you need to lead. Don't just put things to the floor and let people do whatever. I understand that. And Ashe and I know, guys. Now, when it comes to being a leader, now I'm a team player, guys. We need to work as a group. And I wonder, ni team player, Mara. You need to be firm. You need to tell people what to do and when to do it. Don't understand that that's your role as a head of house. So, Banong flopper guy Ashe is that I feel like sometimes Ashe, he's a nice guy. He wants to be nice to everyone. Now this group, guys, when it comes to brief, let's be so for real, guys, they do not have any, or they don't have a lot of memorable moments. They don't have a lot of memorable wager tasks. I understand that I already accepted from you group briefy, but anyway, Don was saying no, but this week it's understandable why people are struggling because it's a complicated brief. You can't tell people who they are, so you can't pick certain animals for certain people. I understand. And you know, guys, let's be so real. When it comes to Liam and when it comes to Tandega, sometimes, guys, they tell each other the truth. And that's why I say that, guys, if they were outside of the house, under normal circumstances, I think they'll get along. I understand it? Because when I see both of them, I think Batswana, the only difference is Liema is very likable. I understand that? And Tandega doesn't care to be liked. I understand that? But let me tell you something. When they were clashing the first time around, Liema was like, Tandega, Maro, why or the excuse it's already when you can't clean because there's no thick bleach, there's no what, and then you're calling out people saying that, yeah, there's a mess in the bathroom, where the period, where. And my chat is, you know what Liema said? Liema was like, my sister, we have enough products to clean in this house. When are you just making excuses? Because Tandega in that thing, she was saying that no, the housemates need to request to Big Brother for thick bleach and stuff like that. And Liema was like, my sister, why was that the excuse when I know Kolmaga? Because when me and Ashe were cleaning, we were able to clean with what we have. Why when you need to get other products? So I understand that. And they clashed noch beer, guys. When it comes to this brief, when it comes to this thing, this wager task that we're preparing for, there's no need for you to lie. Wrong understand? You cannot say when you're not a part of an alliance when you know you're a part of the Mean Girls. Wrong understand? And I feel like most of the time, Tandega does grasp onto the brief much quicker than the other people. And she tries to make them understand her point of view. Mara, I think because it's very hard for them to understand her. And you can't say that when you hunt alone, when you're part of an alliance, you must be true to yourself. And my thinking is, if Tandega is referring to the times when Liema guys, when Liema has addressed Tandega, she's done it alone. And I also understand Liema's perspective when she was like, Mara Tandega, you can't tell me who I am. I understand. And that's what I noticed about Tandega. Tandega shem yanashem Kamara Big Brother house I shem ki in-house psychologist. I understand the utikirile in-house psychologist. And Liema was like, my sister, you can't tell me who I am. And on another episode of Does Bravo B Really Like Trixie, guys? Bravo B, we are non atlo fleta li gym instructor. What I want to understand, man, is the fact that, guys, what is Bravo's actual problem, Lee Q? Oh, I understand that because there was a day where he also addressed Q and he's like, Q, you say you're a man, or so you say. And he was telling Q, Abuti, if you have a problem with me, you must come straight to me. Now, I don't like the fact that you were talking about me. And my thing is, guys, Q, our guys, they've moved on. And even Q was confused. And Q was like, Mara Bravo B, there's no way you're getting mad at a joke. And I just made a joke. Of which it's quite a relevant comparison to make. Understand? And I honestly think that Bravo B never let his grudges go when it comes to Q. Like, if he could block Q in real life, he would. With again, guys, Trixie, she gets along with some of these housemates. Everything is fine. Everything is chilled. But I sometimes ask myself, what if Big Brother Mzansi did not have any rules? And I'm asking myself this because, guys, even the comment that she made about how, you know, when they were outside and they're doing like their whole like law and stuff like that, she's like, yeah, if Ngeva really chance and she doesn't want to talk out of context. And I'm like, my sister, even in what you're saying, there is no other context other than what you're saying. She was saying, Horiana Ngeva at a log anorma motandega inti ifisa. And I'm just like, hey, what's it Trixie? Tandega mama tating. I feel like the only thing that saves Tandega is the fact that Big Brother Mzansi has rules. But anyway, guys, with Big Brother right now, they're not giving us a lot of motivation to watch. It's a matter, hopefully, as time goes by, anyway, bye guys.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi waseMzansi. Big Brother Mzansi viewers are disappointed at Big Brother for how he is allowing Uthandeka and Meli to bully everyone around, and the way Meli disrespected Big Brother ku diary room, and people are feeling ukuthi lama strike nje labanike bona bhiza bashange ma strike. It really doesn't make sense, because why angaba disqualify? Because what the things that Meli said to Big Brother lapha diary room likhana khuluma na big sister, hayibo nama was so shocked ukuthi hayibo, I'm not scared of Big Brother. Yo guys, people are really saying ukuthi it seems like Big Brother yamfelela Kuthandeka na Meli, because why always bona bahlezi bafuna ukukhoza havoc, disrespecting the housemates, even disrespecting Big Brother himself, but they are still there. And people are saying go to Big Brother ushintshile. They don't know why abathanza sona kuthandeka na Meli. It's like there is something nje uthandeka na Meli labamatela yona Big Brother, because why abafelela kuthandeka na Meli. Some people are even saying this is the worst Big Brother season they've ever watched, because what? Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.